This glute bridge variation we're going to cover in this video is a single leg glute bridge. A lot of the same principles, exact same principles actually, as the two-legged glute bridge. However, now we're only on one leg, and we've got this opposite leg. We got to figure out what we're going to do with that. Okay. So the big thing with this opposite leg is you want to make sure that your knee, you're driving it up towards your face. Okay. Your toes pulled up towards your knee, and you're going to leave that there. You're not going to relax. You're going to actively hold it there as you do the movement. Now, as far as the working leg, same principles. I got low back into the ground. Then I get my weight on the inside of my foot. I'm putting pressure on my big toe. Knee shoots forward. I go up. I feel a lot of glute, a little bit of hamstring, and I go back down. Now, one of the big things you want to be aware of with your opposite pocket. So in this case, this is my right pocket. Oftentimes what will happen is people go up and they rotate away from that loaded side. So you can think of a big circle around you. Right up here is 12 o'clock, down into the floor is 6 o'clock. What I'm trying to do is rotate my opposite pocket towards 12 o'clock. So what that's going to look like, so here I'm rotated away from the loaded hip. This is when I rotate towards 12 o'clock, and that gets me more centered and more loaded on this left hip.